Did you know marine iguanas are basically living salt cannons? These weird lizards live on salty seaweed, but too much salt would kill them. So evolution gave them the most ridiculous solution ever. They literally sneeze out salt crystals through special nose glands. And when I say sneeze, I mean they violently shoot salt like tiny dragons breathing glitter. Watch this slow motion footage of them blasting salt everywhere. It looks absolutely insane, but it's actually genius. Nature really said, let's make the world's angriest salt shakers with legs.